megalayapost.news.
UCH Vijay Shankar, Lord Kajala Meghalaya, Harangkat Timothy Dishira, Menteri Kesurkar Jala, Wadai Pay Kamrap Kamriang, Bat Kamjong Kai Pertai, Kabalasan Ran Langdu, Kamakya Prasad Tasa, MP Raja Sabhana Assam, Lembat Kwi Ki Sorkar, Mentakasni, Kilalik Ban Play Pat Bano, Yakasi EU Regional Agri Fair, Arjar Arsan Arpan Rio, Nikai Open Inam, Halor Ki Marap, Baper, Bat Kabane, Lice Ngilanter, College of Agricultural University, CAU, Kredam Kulai Ribhoy, Hakateka Open Inam, Ki Marap, Baper, Bat Kabane, Lice CAU Kredam Kulai lawan bani Shimenta da borok kinongrap nakaleng ki jela shatai lamingi hakaba ki lawan ban penina mi ki marap katkum kabaki rap hakir kom boper ya ka jingalang bat penbena bala plepat ba ya kate ka yau peninam halor ki marap lapan ya do Anupa Mishra Vice Chancellor CAU Imphal Manipur harangkat ki jingdon ki wei ki he ki han jong ka CAU Imphal ki scientist ki he na kitnat boper jong ka CAU habakran hakati ka sngi UCH Vijay Shankar lapan pau halor ka jingdon kamban kan tio ki kamrap kamriang katala kalong hakajala Meghalaya barhakari hiboro kawai bat ula ongru bakumba kalong menta bona kinong song hapo kari kidai kiba imbat pendap ya kajingdon kam hakayeng kesam daka kamrap kamriang nalor kataw layro ru ya ka CAU Imphal kebadan ha umyam ha kabaw loong baka CAU kelakan tio haki kamrap kamriang bat kamtam hakabai de bat karkom rap kabakat kum kajuk start bamenta
innovation, resilience and growth in our agricultural community. This clear strengths as a platform where knowledge meets practice and where traditional wisdom blends with modern technology to shape the future of farming in Meghalaya. The Government of India has implemented several flagship programs that continue to uplift the lives of farmers across the nation. The Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi, PM Kisan provides direct income support of 6,000 annually to small and marginal farmers, deposited directly to their account. This initiative has greatly benefited the farming families of Meghalaya by ensuring timely financial support for essential agricultural activities and helping them sustain their livelihood with dignity. Since the inception of PM Kisan scheme, 20 installments have been released to all states in the country. The latest 20 installment for Kwadi Minister, April to July, was released on 2nd August 2025 by the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Sri Narendra Modi, from NRC. In the state of Meghalaya, the number of beneficiaries who have benefited from this release is around 196,748 members. And the amount disbursed to the state during this release was around 39 crores, 2,386 only.
Promoting these local crops, local fruits, local vegetables, which will create a very good market in all India. I think so. मैं ज़्यादा नहीं बोलूँगा, बस देखने आया मैं हैप्पी ये जो ड्रोन भी आप लोग आविष्कार किया है, ड्रोन जो सेंसर ड्रोन है और अदर एग्रीकल्चर प्रोडक्ट्स which is being produced here in the exhibition, which is very good. मैं चाहता हूँ कि सेंट्रल एग्रीकल्चर यूनिवर्सिटी मेरे को एक प्रोग्राम में भी जाने के लिए मौका मिला, जहाँ पर हम लोग यहाँ पर स्टूडेंट्स का साथ एक मोटिवेशनल प्रोग्राम में भी जाना पड़ा और एग्रीकल्चर यूनिवर्सिटी ने जो अच्छा प्रोग्राम किया है 9th annual sports, we have organized this 9th Cow Intercollegiate Youth Festival Games and Sports Week 2025. इससे ये इसका साथ करने का मतलब है they will be inspired by the exhibition done by your colleges. अभी सबसे जो प्रधानमंत्री जी ने बोला है अमृत काल का बाद नरेंद्र मोदी जी का 2047 में जो विकसित भारत का सपना देखा है वो खाली एक से नहीं होगा. All sectors I think it will achieve goals. और एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर में जितना डेवलपमेंट का बात प्रधानमंत्री जी ने सोचा है, ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर है तो पीएम किसान एंड राष्ट्रीय एग्रीकल्चर मिशन का बात बोला है. इसको लेके प्रधानमंत्री ने एक सपना देखा है, सपना को हमको साकार करना है। और सर मैं ज्यादा थोड़ी कॉन्सेंट्रेट करके बोलूंगा, एक मार्केट का भी नॉर्थ ईस्ट का जो ऑर्गेनिक सब्जियां है और जो क्रॉप्स है, इसके लिए मार्केट भी चाहिए। आई हैव सीन दैट मेनी हैव स्टार्टेड, न्यू स्टार्टअप्स हैव स्टार्टेड सम प्रोसेस्ड फूड पैकेट्स फ्रॉम द वेजिटेबल्स व्हिच इज प्रोड्यूस्ड इन नॉर्थ ईस्ट। एग्रीकल्चर यूनिवर्सिटी रिसर्च करता है, एग्रीकल्चर यूनिवर्सिटी उसको प्रमोशन करने के लिए व्यवस्था करता है, लेकिन गवर्नमेंट को भी मार्केट का ढूंढना पड़ेगा, मेरे को लगता है।
To be here at the inauguration of the Regional Agri Fair 2025-26 hosted by the Central Agricultural University, Impal and College of Agriculture in this place. This gathering is not just an exhibition or a technical fair. It is a celebration of the spirit, celebration of our achievement, celebration of our contribution, and celebration what we are going to achieve further in future, in coming days. It is a celebration of spirit of the Indian agriculture, the resilience of our farmers, and the growing potential of the north-eastern region. Majority of we people who are sitting here also, we are all from rural background. I am not only the man from rural background, I am coming from the agriculture family also. During our younger days, we know it very well. Farmers never used to bring seeds, fertilizers, pesticides, and agriculture inputs or equipments from the outside, that too from city. During our younger days, we never bring seeds from city. We do not know what is fertilizer by that time. We do not know what is pesticides during our younger days. After I joined degree, first year degree course, when I have taken admission, by that time my father told you need not go to field. You need not cultivate the land. We take care of your education. Till then, I used to go to field. I used to cultivate the land. That too from cities. Those days, agriculture was totally independent. And also, you are able to see cottage industries. Some of the cottage industries we are able to see here also. Cottage industry in the sense agro-based rural industries. Agro-based rural industries. In each and every village, not only one village, each and every village across India, including Hamlet village, 6,70,000 villages are there in the country. Probably 10% we can exploit. Rest of the, not less than 80% of the village. One side agriculture, a village in the sense, one side agriculture. The other side, cottage industries. You are able to see in each and every village. From cottage industries to small scale industries to national level to multinational level. What about the fate of the cottage industry? Totally vanished. In that way, we have to think very seriously. Agriculture, producers, and rural industries are always interrelated. They support each other. In the sense, those days, village life was self-sufficient. Those days, you take history of 30 years, 40 years, 50 years back, each and every village was totally self-sufficient. They did not bring anything from the city. तब ग्रामीण जीवन स्वावलंबी था. ग्रामीण जीवन स्वावलंबी था. नगर जीवन परावलंबी था. Now you see the situation. Now ग्रामीण जीवन फरार में हो गया है, नगर जीवन 100 में हो गया है. It is not at all good in taste. Overall the development of the nation. Overall development of the nation. We know that India is a land of agriculture. 70% of the overall population are living in rural area. That too they are depending on the agriculture. Agriculture is the main occupation and source of income for them. In the given situation, we have to analyze the percentage and portion of the agriculture and cottage industry. No cottage industry we are able to see in the most of our villages now. You see, this is very important. We all of us have to think it very seriously. One way, we have to safeguard the interests of the farmers. It is our duty. Ultimately, we meant for that. Safeguard the interests of the farmers. Other side, you have to give enough protection. You have to give enough protection to the agricultural land also. In that way, you people, all the senior scientists of agriculture, you have to say, or you have to think, you have to propose. Ultimately, lawmakers, they are going to depend on you. Our farmers, they are also going to depend on you. What about agricultural law? I told you I have been served as a forest minister also. Even you have to touch even an inch of land of forest, you see the formalities. It is not so easy. It is not so easy. Get even an acre of land belongs to the forest for the rest of the other purpose.
MeghalayaPost.news